don't catch am o, only thief. This guy don dey thief phones for 14 months. Ask me how many phones? 240 phones. 240, 14 months or more. This one no be small thing. I don't sit down make this calculation. My head sef wan burst. They say this matter happen for wetin they call that place. Yeah, no Iworo. Una know am. You understand? So inside downfall. For now, we don't know wetin be downfall. Now wetin they call trotro for Ghana. Now normal bus, public transport. So this woman sit down inside. Oh, they press him phone. The car they move. You understand? Before you know am. Now, so this guy just drag the phone. Oh Lord, he start dey run. But thank God say RRS they there. Those now another set of wetin they call them is vigilante or be police. I don't know. So now those ones can't start dey pursue them. They finally catch the guy. Now there this matter come out. Oh, the boy they beat am. Come they confess say yes. So say in 14 months he don't carry 240 phones. Oh my people. I calculate this thing. Oh, now be say. This man don dey thief. He dey thief one phone every 2 days. One phone every 2 days. See job. The country is hard. Omo, this guy career na phone thievery. Na in career be that. Normally we dey go school, they learn law, medicine, all those things. Person just sit down, balance, strategize. Say na stealing, you want to steal. My brother, let me say now, I just imagine this boy lifestyle. Every day, you know, say if they wake up as we get job, we know the jobless, you understand? We don't know how our life be. If we wake up, we go bath, dress up, we say we they go work. And this one, can't imagine say they stay with your girlfriend. So you go bath, eat breakfast, come kiss the girl. Baby, I'm off to work. I'm going to the office. The girl too go tell her, good luck, baby. You don't know how those things. No, they say na thief. If they go thief. Hey, professions they this life. But if you not choose the good one, you go end up like one. I cannot even talk. I beg. Nigeria court of law. Because this matter, I no bring am here so that now they do mini man you move. I know even 1 year, 2 years, 3 years case, 2 years. The better charge one, I won't make una charge this case. See, look inside this case, enter the in total of the matter, and deal with this guy. I don't want here because una too they play with some kind heavy things. This one no be toy matter. We dey talk about 240 phones. You understand? You know how they treat all those criminals, heavy ones. Put all those cables, connect them to him body, electrocute them. In fact, I just think of many things where we go even because our people not be small thing. 14 months. Assuming they do better work for this 14 months. Now only God know you for don't save better money. And as they see this man like this, it don't look like a person where they in a hurry to change. So because this one will tell you I'll not do it again. Now lie. He go do am, he go continue to the do am. You understand? So now, make una sit down, balance this man, calculating punishment, and do am very, very well. You understand? Because now he's not stealing. You know, go tell me say you know the thing. He's stealing, and this one now, if you not even say you not go carry and go prison. It no go still change. Even inside that prison, this guy go they thief people bathing soap. He go they thief toothpaste. He go they thief all those because as for no they there when go thief, he go look for another things where go come the thief. We don't know what be 240 phones. Be like say una sit down they joke. This one no be joking matter. People don't cry. People don't and we know they take this thing funny at all. 240 now you never even see that say okay make you open shop. Are they sure say even shop owners all those people where they sell phones, are they sure say these people never even get 240 phones for their shop? Some people never even get that. Now in this one just sit say you go they take them power bank even add on top. Una sure say no be jazz this guy they do like this because you know normal. You know normal. Hi Nigeria. And una go dey come outside now, come dey look for people wey do dreadlocks, wey do tattoo, and una go dey come dey classify them as criminals, robbers. This one no get tattoo. This one no get dreadlocks. You know, which other thing you wan think? See am, total gentleman. If you even see am sef, you go even kneel down greet am, you go worship am, because he looks clean. Na so dey do. Everybody now don dey come out with im own strategy. So biko jail am fast. In fact, faster than the fastest, jail am, because I no wan hear say one mumu governor go come outside now, go dey bring a rehabilitation matter, make you rehabilitate am, make you do this one, you go come bring am money. Na there our money dey go. All our money na there dey go. Imagine governor, all these politicians, now wetin dey do? They go come outside, come dey reward criminals. Person wey suppose enter prison go dey talk rehabilitation matter. This man look like small pikin. Rehabilitation na for younger age, abi wetin dey call them, people wey dey no dey of age. You go know say that one something really dey worry them. Say na from no be say they wan do am on their own, something they get problem. Now those people na dey go rehabilitation. This man is, in fact, he's 100% sane. So na no go tell me any rehabilitation matter. So we go carry am fast. I no wan hear anything. And for una politicians, I no say una dey hear me. I no wan hear say una hand enter this matter. This guy must be arrested. No bring any rehabilitation story here. Citizens go dey suffer. Even the citizens wey dey work hard, people wey get the rights, they go still dey suffer. They dey hungry, everything. But una go dey carry money. They give criminals better treatment. Because now this one now supposed to tell us say it's very simple. This country is governed by criminals, because it's only a criminal that can support a criminal. So that is the answer. Not only criminals they govern Nigeria. People. So now, imagine this thing with this guy do. 240 folds, 14 months. 14 months now waiting is equal to 1 year. And as I calculate myself, it can't land to the period where everybody lockdown, everybody dey inside house, they no dey allow people to dey comot. So if this guy get liver, can't thief 240 phones when people no dey allowed to dey move. Now be say if we dey allowed to move, this guy for don open shopping plaza full of phones. Now be the thing now. Hey, wahala dey o. Abeg my people, make una start dey drop those comments for that comment section. Very, very important. If you agree with me, drop am there. If you no agree with me, because I know say some of you get 10 heads, still drop am there. I go reply una one by one. And make sure say una share this video, because politicians need hear me. And this very ole thief, he need hear me too. Drop your comments, share this video, click on that notification bell. If not, you go dey miss everything wey we drop for you. Stay tuned for our next story.